My name's Tuere. I'm a meditation teacher, and I was born and raised in Seattle. So I've always been a public speaker for a long time. I was a prosecutor for many years, and now I'm a meditation teacher, so you're always in front of people speaking. I have very strong teeth and strong bones, and so it wasn't really a problem until I started getting into my 30s. So over the course of my 20s and 30s, I would have various teeth being pulled, and none of them were in the front. So kind of like I don't care because I don't see them. No one's gonna know. It's cool with me. I don't care. I don't have to go to the dentist. That's all it really was about. And then when I got into my 40s, years of not doing a lot of proper care is catching up with me. And I have to go to the dentist more often. My teeth were in really, really, really bad shape. And so even though I had this partial and I spent a year getting all this work done, the work just wasn't really gonna stay, and it was getting worse and worse and worse. And so now I'm having a lot of pain. Almost all my teeth are gonna have to be pulled. And so I saw an ad in the paper about full mouth implants, and we started searching for a dentist. My son Max saw Dr. Keller, and we went in to make an appointment. Before this procedure, I was terrified of the dentist and would do whatever I could to keep from going. And so we then came to have this meeting with Dr. Keller. It was so different than I expected. People are happy to see you. So it was like they knew I was going to be okay. And so they're talking to me not as who I am now, but who they thought I was gonna become. I was pretty much put out. I don't remember anything after that. I just pretty much remember going home. I could hear Dr. Keller talking to me. He's not stoic at all. And so there's this engaged talking to you, kind of walking you through, and I could hear him talking me through the whole procedure. After this procedure, I can go to the dentist like any person with no trauma around dentistry. It is perfect. I mean, there's nothing I can't eat. I don't even cut up apples anymore. I eat them straight away. I chew my food up much better. I had some soreness before, but that was right around the beginning of the surgery with my gums. And I feel better, so I smile all the time. I think what I would say to someone who was in that position where they're scared to do this, what I would say is find someone you trust, someone you care about, like a family member or friend, and have them go through this with you. But the choice of not doing it, that seems like a disservice to yourself. It's a lot of money, but it's like buying a car. We're used to big ticket things, but finding the financing is fine. And then have a friend go through it with you, just so you will do it and you won't back out. Don't try to do it by yourself. That would be my best advice.